This is the T-MOBILE Revvl 6, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So the first feature that we would like to highlight is located at the security category of settings, so let me just quickly enter it. It is called the Fingerprint, and it allows you to lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So prior to enrolling it, just choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use. You can either go for pattern, PIN, or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Enter the pattern that you would like to utilize, then confirm it. After that, choose what notification content you would like to be visible. Agree on the terms, and start the enrolling process by touching the sensor that is located at the side power key. So basically, in order to enroll your fingerprint, just lay and lift it onto the scanner until your fingerprint gets entirely scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate and scan different parts of your finger. Alrighty, so as you can see, my fingerprint has been successfully added. Let me just go ahead and quickly test it out. As you can see, the display gets unlocked without any issues at all whatsoever. The second feature is another biometrical way of locking the screen, this time with your face. So let me just enter the same security category of the settings. It's like dedicated field is located right below the fingerprint. It is precisely called the face unlock. So let me set it up quickly as well. The face adding or the face scanning process over here is way quicker and easier. Just once you start, place your face inside this little circle camera frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick and wait until the system will scan it. Alrighty, so my face data has been successfully scanned and added. Now let's go ahead and test this feature out as well. As you can see, right now it is not getting unlocked since my face is in the other direction, but the moment I align the selfie camera with my face, the display gets unlocked fairly swiftly, not as swiftly and conveniently as it is with the fingerprint, but enabling those two biometrical methods will give you more diversity in terms of the screen lock and will generally increase the security of your device. Moving on to the next small tip, which is way smaller than the previous ones. It is located at the battery category of settings, and well, let me give it a very brief introduction first. So as you can see, currently, in order for me to know exactly how much power I have left, I gotta swipe the notification curtain like so, and then it will show the percentage. But in case you would like to know at all times, and you would like to have the battery percentage or the percentage of the battery you have left at the right part of a status bar at all times over here, just enter the battery category and turn on this little toggle. Alrighty, so moving on to the next little tip or option that we were to highlight in today's video is located at the system category. Then go for the gestures section, and in here go for the system navigation. So the smartphone provides you with two ways of navigating through your system. I would suggest that by default it is set to be this little 3 digital buttons, which you probably all know how they work. You use the middle one to get back home, you use the square to open the list of recent apps or the active apps, and you use this little triangle or arrow pointing leftwards to get back. The second type is the gestures or gesture navigation, which is way more convenient and intuitive for me in my personal opinion. So as you can see, once I switched it to the gestures, this digital buttons at the bottom disappeared, and now in order to get back home you gotta do the following swipe. Just do it quickly. Then in order to open the list of active applications that are currently running in the background, just swipe hold this little bar over here and swipe it upwards. And in order to get back, just make the following swipe to the right, from left to right. I guess it also works with the right to left swipe as well. Already, so it makes it how many tips? 4. So the fifth and last feature for this video is located, it's a very useful one, should I say, especially for the elder people or for the people who are having any issues with their vision. So it is the magnifying glass or magnifying tool. Allows you to see very or zoom into the interface or any text you'll look at possibly. So in order to activate this feature and start using it, just enter the accessibility category of settings. Then in here you'll find the magnification field or magnification feature at the display section. So turn the shortcut for it by switching this little toggle on. You can also make it so that the magnifying tool will be activated once you simultaneously hold the volume keys, the side volume buttons, but I'm fine with the shortcut, really. So in order to use it, just let me open something I can really visually magnify. So let's say our website. In here, tap on this little shortcut over here. You can hide it like so and start the magnifying process. So tap to the part of the display that you would like to magnify. In order to rotate or change the focus, just move the screen or swipe the screen with your 2 fingers. As you can see, the 1 finger will only scroll the page, but 2 fingers will able to slide it horizontally. If you would like to increase the zoom scale, just do the following swipe, the opening swipe. If you would like to, on the other hand, reduce the scale of the magnifying or zooming, make the shrink and swipe like so, with any 2 fingers, really. This is the lowest zoom scale we can go for. That is also the second mode. It works on as this little magnifying window. So just place your face at this icon and magnify like so, without having to, without using the whole display as the zoom area, really. You can also change the zoom scale inside this little window as we did for the full screen magnification. So a very cool and convenient feature to have. Now if you would like to turn it off, just tap on the shortcut and now you can hide it. Oh, already I've tapped on it accidentally. Now you can hide it like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. So thank you so much for your time, attention, and thank you for watching in general. So bye bye.